Hi everyone, I'm Nas from Glojas and hope everyone is keeping very well and safe. Today I would like to talk about PRP face. What are PRP facials? You've probably heard of platelet-rich plasma facials, also known as PRP facials. PRP stimulates collagen and elastin production, which thickens and tightens thinning skin, effectively smoothing wrinkles and fine lines. Because it boosts collagen, and it is also a great treatment for improving overall skin texture and tone. It's particularly good for people who suffer from acne. What are the key advantages of PRP facials and why are they so popular? They truly transform the look of your skin in many positive ways. There's no chance for an allergic reaction because the plasma comes from your own body. Pain and discomfort is minimal and the procedure is short. Are you all excited with our Christmas promo? Check out our Facebook and Instagram for more updates. It's always a good idea to educate yourself about any treatment you are considering, learn about its advantages and disadvantages, cost and other information. Call us now to know more about our PRP facials only at Glojas. Glojas brings out the best in you.